Challenging iteration, security. The School of Arts of the University of Nova Gorica offers study programs in the realm of arts, digital arts and practices BA, and a postgraduate of media arts and practices where students can specialize in photography, film, animation, new media, contemporary art practices. The MAS project promises to develop a study module, a part of the curriculum, which might sound relatively easy. You just write down how you want to run a study program. But if you want to do that in a contemporary, relevant way and blend the two realms of social Europe and innovative Europe, which we have decided to do, then this becomes a challenge. We have been singled out as probably the most adventurous moon shooting consortium of them all, because we are obviously trying to tackle this paradox which Europe has been facing now for a decade. How to basically make sure that we are all fine economically and that we compete with the big forces of the global competition market on the one hand, but on the other retain the maybe two most precious aspects of the European cultural legacy and the social awareness, which is basically coded in the Social Europe agenda. I much enjoy coordinating, creating, connecting, type different stakeholders into consortia, not only those on payrolls, the employed people of the institutions, but the lone riders, the artists, the garage scientists, the true innovators of tomorrow, if you want, and connect them and intertwine them into the, in our case, higher education process, bringing together countering positions and obviously already containing in itself the unbearable impossibility of bringing up solutions just like this. The MAS project currently is only in its beginnings and nobody yet really slipped on a banana peel. But we will need to work hard for another year now to articulate such a challenge and give our students, artists, scientists and engineers such a framework that they can truly, freely think, so that we don't need to learn from the mistakes in history, but that we rather boldly reinvent the future.